Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Usually I upload DIY and sewing tutorials, but today I am going to be showing you guys my closet. I've had a few people request this video, so are you guys ready? Here we go. Okay guys, so we are in the closet right now and Jack and I are going to give you the closet tour. But before we get started, I just wanted to tell you guys history of it real quick. So the house that we live in was built in the 50s and this room was actually renovated into a closet. My husband built everything and installed it. So this was just a spare room that we had, and there really aren't a lot of closets in older homes. So that's why I decided that I wanted to change this into a closet so I'd have room to put all my clothes in here. As you can tell, I have a lot, and I also use this as my crafting room, and all of my videos are done in here. So I do a lot of things in here as far as my hobbies go. This is definitely my favorite room of the house, so I am really excited to show you guys everything. And just so you know, it is an older home, like I said. So there's gonna be some wood paneling. I was going to paint it when we moved in, but I just was in such a hurry to put all my clothes in here and for my husband to just build everything. So we just went ahead and put everything up, and I'm really happy with it. So it is very unique, and I like that. I love living in an older home. Let me show you guys the first section of the closet. So this first spot that I'm going to show you guys, it is my sewing area and my computer. So my sewing machine is underneath the cover, and there's the chair, and there's some awesome fabric that I have just waiting to be used. So yeah, this is where I do all of my sewing. And this is Manny. She is the mannequin that I never use, but I've had her a long time, so she stays in here and she kind of fits the scene, so I think we're gonna keep her. So this section over here has some shoes on the top, and then a lot of my crafting items. Not very organized, but I try to be as much as I can. But if you guys craft, you know how messy it gets. And then this shelf has all of my jewelry on it. So this has all my necklaces and a jewelry box and a painting that I did a while back. And over here we have belts, ties, suspenders, scarves. I mean, anything you can think of, it is over here. And this first little section of my closet, they're all on black hangers, and these are outfits that I use for like concerts and special events, just shows and stuff like that. This section over here, most of this stuff is on velvet hangers, and these are my everyday clothes for spring and summer, and some of them I wear year-round, but others I do not, but they are meant to be mostly summer clothes. And it just keeps going. And there's purses up here that I have. This section right here has all my wigs in it, and they are color coded. It's not very organized, but at least they're organized by color, so I know which one I need to get for the day if I'm gonna wear one. And then this right here has all my swimsuit stuff in it and all my beach stuff, so I just keep that in a basket on the shelf here. And then these are my winter shoes mostly. And this is my closet chair that I absolutely love. This chair is so awesome. I got it from TJ Maxx. Okay, so here's the next section, and these shelves are kind of closed off, but we just figured it would be best for the closet. And all of my hats are on top of this shelf. So all my fedoras are over here, which I wear a lot. Berets, other hats, costume hats. And this section of my closet, these are all my coats. I love to buy coats. Definitely have a problem there. And here is my shoe chair. I don't really use it a lot, but I do keep fabric in it. This section of my closet, there's sweaters over here, and then all of this is winter clothing, so it's a lot of flannel and fleece that I have. And this section, these are my special occasion dresses, so if I'm going to a nice place to eat or somewhere on vacation that's really nice, I'll grab one of these dresses. I have a few of those. And then this other section is all holiday clothing, which you can see it's mostly Christmas because I love Christmas. So these are all Christmas. There's some Halloween in there. There's actually a couple Thanksgiving outfits. Another Halloween. So yeah. And this little section, it's just like miscellaneous items. So up here, I have all my Barbies from when I was a little girl, and they're the Rockstar Barbies. I've yet to find their tour bus. I don't know where it is, but I'm just glad I still have the Barbie dolls. And this is a picture of me when I was really little. This is when it all started with me making costumes and just clothing. I made this costume out of paper, like the front part, and there was a back part to it. So I just feel like that's when it all started, when I was probably about this age. So yeah, there's just like random stuff in here. Business cards, wallets, phone cases, my sunglasses. I love sunglasses. I have every color. Some more sewing stuff down here. Miscellaneous items on the bottom shelf. And here's my bass that I haven't played in forever, but it is so cool. I really need to get back into it. I do keep that in my closet as well. Say hi, Jack. Hi. Here is the bottom shelf. I keep a lot of my Demonia shoes on the bottom shelf here. I think that's how you pronounce that. Correct me if I'm wrong. So a lot of shoes down here, rain boots. Here are some more purses. I keep a lot of backpacks and travel bags on the back of my door. So I have a lot of purses. I need to get rid of some. And here's my chandelier. I love this chandelier in here. It is just so perfect. And here is the mirror in my closet. I love this mirror because it is so tall, so I can see everything. Jack. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the closet tour. I hope it wasn't too disappointing to you. And if you guys have any more questions about my closet, just feel free to ask. I hope that I covered everything. If not, just ask and I will definitely tell you. So yeah, I had a lot of fun making this video. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment. It really helps my channel out. Thank you guys so much for watching.